Indonesia, formerly the Republic of Indonesia, is a rustic in Southeast Asia and Oceania among the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It consists of over 17,000 islands, along with Sumatra, Java, Sulawesi, and components of Borneo and New Guinea. Indonesia is the world's biggest island, the most important archipelagic, and the 14th largest country by area, at 1,904,569 rectangular kilometers with over 275 million people. Indonesia is the arena's fourth maximum populous country and the maximum populous Muslim majority country. Java, the sector's maximum populous island, is home to more than half of the country's population. Indonesia is a presidential republic with an elected legislature. It has 37 provinces, of which 8 have a unique reputation. The country's capital, Jakarta, is the arena's second maximum populous urban region. Indonesia shares land borders with Papua New Guinea, East Timor, and the Japanese part of Malaysia, as well as maritime borders with Singapore, Vietnam, Thailand, the Philippines, Australia, Palau, and India, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Despite its massive populace and densely populated areas, Indonesia has sizable areas of desert that help one of the international's highest ranges of biodiversity. The Indonesian archipelago has been a valuable location for trade considering as a minimum the 7th century while Srivijaya and later Majapahit traded with entities from mainland China and the Indian subcontinent. Local rulers step by step absorbed foreign effects from the early centuries, and Hindu and Buddhist kingdoms flourished. Sunni buyers and Sufi students introduced Islam, while Christianity was spread with the aid of European missionaries. Although the Portuguese, the French, and the British additionally dominated in some unspecified time in the future, the Dutch have been the foremost colonial electricity for much in their 350-year presence within the archipelago. The concept of Indonesia as a geographical region emerged in the early 20th century, culminating later within the proclamation of Indonesian independence in 1945. However, it became not until 1949 that the Dutch diagnosed Indonesia's sovereignty following an armed and diplomatic warfare among the two. Indonesia consists of heaps of awesome native ethnic and hundreds of linguistic companies, with Javanese being the biggest. A shared identification has advanced with the motto Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, unity and diversity, literally, many, but one, described through a country-wide language, cultural variety, spiritual pluralism within a Muslim majority population, and the records of colonialism and rebellion against it. The economic system of Indonesia is the world's 17th biggest by means of nominal GDP and the 7th biggest by using PPP. It is a nearby electricity and is taken into consideration a middle strength in worldwide affairs. The US of A is a member of numerous multilateral firms, including the United Nations, World Trade Organization, G20, and a founding member of the Non-Aligned Movement, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, East Asia Summit, and the Organization of Islamic Cooperation.